Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. In this video, we will focus on how to create a tool set. We will use the default tool bits for this video, but we recommend you first create your own in the Tools submenu before moving on to the tool set. The tool set is responsible for indicating what tool bits are available for use in CNC material optimization, as well as the positions they hold in the automatic tool changer unit. Even if you do not have an ATC, you must still have a tool set so CAD Builder knows what blades it can use for any required operation. We will first access the Tools Library menu by navigating to the Cut List module and clicking the Tools Library icon at the top left of the screen. Then select the Toolset submenu on the left. The middle left area shows a list of available tool sets. Click on Create Toolset to initialize one from scratch. Name the tool set by clicking the field to the right and typing in Standard Toolset. Check the box next to Default Set to make this the standard one chosen. The rightmost side of the screen has a list of tools that can be added to the set. We will start by assigning our cutout bit 3/8 inch compression. Select the tool from the list, then click Add Selected Tool to Toolset at the bottom center of the menu. This brings the 3/8 inch compression bit into the tool set, occupying position number 1 as shown in the table. The center area also lists general tool info, like the diameter of the bit and what operation types it has been enabled for. So now, when the software wants to execute a cutout operation and we use this tool set, CAD Builder looks at all the cutout bits available in the set and picks the most appropriate one, usually whichever tool fits the spacing and can cut the fastest. We will need at least one dado tool for possible pocket operations, so we will now repeat this with the 1/4 inch down cut by selecting it on the right and adding it to the set. We will repeat this with a second dado tool, 3/8 inch down cut assigned to position 3. Once again, if we have a pocket operation and there are multiple eligible tools, CAD Builder will then pick the most appropriate one. For example, if we have a 1/4 inch wide dado for a back to side connection, then the 1/4 inch bit would be the only one that can fit, so it will be used. If we have a wider cut, like a 3/4 inch dado for a bottom to side joint, then the bigger 3/8 inch down cut can perform the operation in fewer passes and will be chosen over the 1/4 inch. We should also include at least one drill bit for the adjustable shelf line boring. Select the 5mm drill and add it to the tool set. Drilling operation decisions are much simpler. Either the drill bit has the required hole diameter or it does not. If it does, then it gets used. If there are no available drill bits, then the software will try to find an eligible pocket tool to route out the hole. You can also use blank tool entries when you don't want a tool position to be occupied. For instance, maybe the 5mm drill bit is set up for position number 6 instead of number 4. To do this, select the drill bit in the center table, then click Add Blank Tool to Toolset at the bottom right of the screen. Do this twice for 2 empty positions. Next, we reorder the tool bits. While you still have 5mm selected, click on Move Down Tool at the bottom center of the menu until it's on position number 6. You can use this feature to your advantage to exclude certain bits during some nesting operations. For example, what if you are cutting a 1/4 inch thin material? You would normally want the cutout bit to be a down cut to push down on the material and minimize the risk of it moving. To accomplish this, click on Copy Toolset at the top left of the screen to make a second toolset. Rename this toolset to Thin Materials and uncheck Default Set. Then select the 3/8 inch compression in the center table and add an empty tool. Then click Remove Selected Tool from Toolset, the X button, to remove the 3/8 inch compression. You're left with another exact copy of the original toolset, but with an empty spot for position number 1. If you pick this Thin Materials toolset when nesting the 1/4" sheet, then the program will only be able to pick the 3/8" downcut for the cutout operations. You can create as many tool sets as you would like for such specialized situations. As you can see, CAD Builder makes it easy to create a tool set. Then the Toolset menu gives you the opportunity to reflect your CNC's tool set into the program, as well as the ability to adapt to different cutting circumstances. Whichever set is chosen determines what bits are passed onto the machine instructions, as well as their positions. So it's very important that they match your shop setup. Thank you for watching. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training.